Hello. This is Jacqueline here, and I'm coming to you from Waxahachie, Texas. And I want to talk to you today about how to earn money fast with PayPal. And here we are on my Facebook page, and just to share a little bit about myself and my family. This is my family, my husband, our three children, three grandchildren. We got an opportunity to take a trip to Six Flags, and the company um, that I work for, um, the funds that I earned had paid for everything, so there was no expense to the children or anything. So everything was paid in full, and we had a wonderful time that day. So just to share just a little bit on my wall. Just wanted to, come today to let you guys know that, you can earn money fast with PayPal because it's an instant payment, processor. Just know when you, like I posted right here, just know when you truly want success, you'll never give up on it, no matter how bad the situation may be. So, like when you're viewing this today or whenever you see my video, just know that there's always goodness that can come from whatever situation you're in. And just know that you were born with a gift and you can succeed. So just don't, worry about all the challenges. Like here, I posted challenges are what makes life interesting. And being able to overcome them is what makes life meaningful. So we all are going to face challenges, but the thing about it is we should never give up on our dreams. So if you're working a 9 to 5 and you're ready to um, upscale your business, or you're looking for a business to join that can help you with instant payments, that you don't have to wait until the check on Friday, then I have something for you today. So let's go here, and we're going to go to my PayPal. So as you can see here, I've already earned like $530 from 10 transactions for with an average of $53, each. So this opportunity that I'm going to take you to, $25 one up, it is an opportunity that is instant payments, and you can earn instant payments right into your PayPal account. Actually, you can choose a number of ways to get paid, but I chose to focus today on PayPal because PayPal is instant, PayPal is quick. It's like when somebody joins you, it's automatic. The money comes automatically into your PayPal account. And so I just want to encourage you today, to know that you don't have to give up on your dreams. It's never too late, to start a business. You can start a business even while you're working your 9 to 5. So just and like it doesn't matter what background you come from. We all can come up with well-planned excuses. My background, and I was raised like this, and I don't have the money. But those excuses don't work, because truly what happens is that whatever it is that we truly desire, we find a way to get it. And so this business can help you find a way to get just exactly what you want, which is more income in your account. So we're going to log in. So once you join me, and when you see the video, you'll be able to click the link above and join me or whatever. But this is a video that's going to show you exactly how to earn money fast with PayPal. So here, when you join me in this business, you're going to watch the 5-minute overview, because you're going to either come in on the gold or the platinum level, whichever one. Um, and then the gold level is $25. The platinum is 100. So, but you're going to watch this 5-minute overview, which tells you about the business. And all we're doing is copying and pasting ads on social media. It is so simple. It's what I do. Like, for a couple of hours a day, post ads. We show you exactly what ads to post. We show you how to post them. We show you where to post them. We have Facebook groups that you can post. You can also do YouTube videos, Instagram, Snapchat, whatever, that works for you. But you want to be on those social media platforms earning money. If you're going to be on them, I think it's best to start earning money to get life-changing income. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch step one, you're going to watch this 5-minute overview, and then you're going to come down to step six and you're going to set up your profile so that you can start getting paid. Okay? And so like today I've already had like 45 views on my website. 100 emails have already been sent out to prospects, and I have 94 contacts inside of my back office. So, I'm not going to make, like a long drawn out video, but I just wanted to show you, that you can earn money fast with PayPal with this simple program, $25 one up, because we show you exactly what to do. It's very newbie friendly. We show you exactly what to do. There's step-by-step training videos inside here that literally take you by the hand and tell you exactly, do this, do this, do this, step by step. So this is, like that's exactly, what this business does. Like I say, it's very newbie friendly. And I will be looking for you on the inside when you join me. So be sure and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the little bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. And I will see you on the next video.